Hello. We are going to be putting together a beautiful garden tablescape. And if you're interested in how it's going to turn out, stay tuned. I am outside today and I'm trying to talk over all the things that are going on that are typically summer, which means the lawnmower, any other blowers that may be blowing. But you know what? That's a part of it. Now, we are going to put together a wonderful tablescape so that we can serve company, and we're going to be able to do it in such a way where we're able to social distance. There's only 4 of us, and I think it's going to work. So I'm going to let you see just exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to keep our 6-foot distance, and we're actually going to have our dinner delivered to the house, and so that's going to work out great. So really, the only thing that I have to do is to set up the drinks, and I'll show you what that looks like later in another video, and just getting things ready. So I'm really looking forward to today. Now, before we go any further, and before I show you that table, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, please do that, because that helps me out tremendously and allows me to continue to produce content for this channel. And the more content I have, the more supporters I have, the more fun things that we can do together right here. Now, I am looking forward to those of you who are tried and true to stay with me. I love talking to you, love commenting with you, and I hope you will continue to do that. And for those of you who are new, right now, don't move until you have hit that button so that you can become a part of our family. So now that we've gotten all the business out of the way, let's get down garden tablescape. I'm setting up for a garden party, and if you remember, I believe it was last week that I put together this garden centerpiece. So I'm just going to take you in and show you and refresh your memory. I also place in the iCard the video, so the video link, so that you can go back and take a look at how this was created. But this is a lantern, and so we have added beautiful colors to it. Now you notice that I picked up those buffalo checks, and that's because I had planned to put the buffalo checks on the table, and there they are without the chargers. So I got started a little bit early, and I knew for outside on the deck that I wanted to use my galvanized chargers. So that's where I'm starting. I have the glasses in place, I have the chargers in place, and I've got pillows in place. So let's see what else we can do. All right, I've got the camera in place, and we're going to start with our layout. Now, I have these beautiful aqua teal plates, and you'll see how they blend, as well as a little salad plate. And you just see those summer colors. I'll bring them closer, but I'm going to put those in, and I'm going to put one at each of the plates. This is going to be a short video so that we can get moving. Because, you know, when we have company coming, you need to get the job done and keep things efficient. So I'm going to put that there. Pull our chair up. A little string there that I'm working on. Okay, that's in place. I'm going to add some napkins. Now these napkins are very green. They have a little green and white, and what I'm actually going to do with them is that I want to stretch them out, and I want them to go under the plate and come off. We have to shift these around just a little bit. Okay, so we can put our chairs in place. Everybody will have their spot. And it's just going to pick up nice color. So I'm going to take it, put it down where the napkin is visible. Okay, and we need silverware. So let's put those down as well. And then I'll bring you in. Let's see if I can get you in carefully without shaking you to death. Now, let's get the silverware in. And this part I'll speed up. Now you can see I've added the plates, I've added the silverware, and of course we have our buffalo check. So you are able to just see how pretty this table is and how those colors blend together. And all four of the place settings are identical. Well, what do you think? We've got the green of the outdoors, we've got the yellow of sunshine, and of course, the beautiful reds of summer as well. I am here at the table, and I am ready to serve and to welcome our guest. So, I hope that you have enjoyed this short, beautiful video that just screams summertime, and I'm having such a good time. Don't let anything come between you and your family. Love on them as much as possible, and when you do, make it beautiful and special. I'll see you soon, right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Join me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday right here. I'll see you soon.